Living with skin issues and excessively dry skin can take its toll on your confidence and impact many areas of your life. A study by Viridian Nutrition using organic Repair 5 serum found that 98% of participants in a trial found significant improvements on their skin. Within the study, 47 participants used the Repair 5 serum for 8 weeks. They applied the oil to their skin using a dropper and applied it twice daily. The results were obtained using before and after photos and also the filling in of a self-assessment questionnaire. In the study, symptoms such as skin dryness, redness were all shown to reduce by approximately 50%, and 82% of users said they would continue to use Organic Repair 5 serum. 9 out of 10 participants in the trial said that Organic Repair 5 was easy to use and would recommend Viridian to others. Viridian's Organic Repair 5 oil contains 5 certified organic oils, formulated using pure, natural organic oils with no synthetic fragrances or colourings.